All right, guys, welcome back. We have taken a moment I wanted to get some food in my system. I can't work, I can't focus if I'm not well energized, right? I'm also doing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu as well, so if I'm not focusing on my energy levels, then I start to die down in the class with you guys, and that's not good. So we took a moment here just to reset. Got my mind back on track. As you noticed, we are at a $58 loss for the day. So $150 back on the trading deck. Was scalping short, scalping long in the markets while I was recentering myself outside. I saw a couple of good trades, so I had to take them. And that was all within the trading plan, within the trading range that we are trading inside today. Now we're approaching that VWAP, which is giving me some indication that we might have some deep level support here for price action. We also have a static support level here at 24,634. That is important to understanding market price action. At the moment, we are at the bottom of the regression trend, so there's a lot of things that are happening here, folks, that can give us a good play for the rest of the day and then let us be green. That is our goal for the end step of the day, right? So let's not rush this. Let's get into it. And let's kill it. I'm super excited. What? 1 second. Yo, why you gotta be saying that? I'm sitting there thinking, I gave a little slip. Just fooling around for a little bit. All right, what are we going to do with this support? This is crazy. This is going to be really great price action. We're now at a static support level of 24,634, right? Pushing to the lower end of that 24,634. Price action on the macro level is coming down. This is where the real skill is made, boys and girls. This is where we get serious. So right now, our approach is price action has a difficult level or a difficult time crossing 24,634. It's been trading the range though, so it doesn't mean that it's permanence, that it's going to take up this level and continue going upwards. We've sold off twice today, and twice we've made a lower high in the market, kind of squeezing price action into a place where it's between a static support and a dynamic support and resistance. Does that make sense? Great. As we squeeze tighter and tighter, what it's basically telling us is that there is a move setting up in the markets, and we got to be ready for it. I wonder why it doesn't show me where I buy and sell on these charts. Let me see. There we go. Okay. So we've had a few executions here. Been able to get a couple of point moves. I'm still trading 3 contracts in the market. Ultimately, what I would be looking for in the market right now is I'd be looking for buys kind of on the sell on the range, on this range right here. I look for sells over here. We don't want to be trading in between here. Okay. And with that being said, we must be patient in the markets. Okay, so I'm waiting for the shift at least on the 5-minute to get 2 levels of confluence in the markets today. We can walk our way out of that $50 loss. I'm looking for something that's going to give us a win. And bring us into the profit. I'm still down $380 right now. $2,420 today. Right now we're trading gold, or not gold. I'm charting some stuff on oil. Why not? It's a hot stock right now. Maybe we can get some trades inside of it. I'm not guaranteeing anything other than putting a couple of support and resistance lines so I get used to its trading patterns. Okay, kind of like that. Now I'm starting to see something here. Y'all see it? Good. Mm-mm-mm. All right, my goal here is to try to make one more trade, and then I got to go and work on some other stuff. This is crazy. This price action is very stale, though. Very, very stale price action. Doesn't really line too well with my strategy. Ugh. Folks, price action is so slow for the past 20 minutes. Really is. Haven't moved much. try to make this last play of the day. Although we are pretty stale. My stomach is telling me not to do it. Alright guys, I actually have a meeting right now I gotta take. So $50 loss for the day. Proof in the pudding, $58. I'm still gonna be monitoring my trading decks, but I'm gonna be doing it off of Twitter. So if I make a trade, I will put it on the Twitter. Make sure you guys are